What up, you guys? It's your boy Breezy Kumalo, and I'm back again with another hot video of the coming week. Remember, on Sundays, I promised you guys that I will be coming up with dope videos showcasing how am I preparing to trade in the next coming week. So yeah, make sure that you do enjoy it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family with this video if you think that they will need it. See you on the end of the video. What up, you guys? It's so now we're gonna showcase the market recap. In fact, I think talked about this last week Sunday. Remember my last video, we talked about GBP USD and the Euro USD trade. So yeah, I just want to show you how did the trades went, and yes, they went according to plan. So if you truly remember on GBP USD when we went to the daily time frame. So now I'm gonna be using a phone to analyze, because other members told me that it's difficult to analyze on a phone than on the using the laptop. So I don't believe in that, because charts are the same and they are not favorable to those who use laptops and unfavorable to those who use phones. So yeah, let's get to it. So on this daily time frame, I did told you guys that we are on an upward moving trend. So this is gonna be a quick one, straight to the 4 hours time frame. We got this continuation pattern. I once did mention that on the break and retest, I'll just take buys here. So the first hit targets were here on the 90% rule, which is here, which is the last high of this continuation pattern, which is the bullish flag, right? So yeah, we did execute it on that. Even when the NFP came, price just shot up massively. So what I did saw is that lately US dollar have been losing strength. So we did took an advantage of that and we made profits. So yeah, when NFP came, price shot all the way to the upside, and then it hit targets. It hit first take profits, and then now we are looking all the way, because our overall take profits are here. So what am I looking for this week to come? So one thing I can just see here, we are just at the last high, which is the resistance area here. So I'm still looking for buys. I'm still bullish on my position. So one thing that I can wait for, I just can wait for price to just break out here. Price come back to retest. Now treating the previous resistance as now support, and then that's how I'm gonna take my long positions, my buys, right? So yeah, for sales it's still the same thing. Once price now let's say from here to from this resistance area, price decides to just shoot all the way to the downside and then come back to retest here, that is when I'm gonna execute sales and then go all the way to the downside with it. But for now I don't see that happening. I'm not the market maker, so I'll just follow what the market tells me. But for now I'm still looking for those buys to our overall hit targets, which was founded on the daily time frame. So yeah, let's say now price just broke out of here. And this is just the 4 hours time frame. Let us now hit our 1 hour time frame. On just the hourly time frame, very simple. As you can see here, price touched, now it's coming back to the downside, it's looking for retracement. So price can either come back here to the downside, which is here, which another thing can happen here is that price can come back, test this previous high, and then price, now we can see price breaking out, coming here back again, and then going all the way to the upside. So let's say now price comes back here and we are still like on the market looking at the charts. So this is how I'm gonna take the trade. Remember, I don't go above 35 pips in terms of stop loss. So this would be a nice one. In fact, 31 pips stop loss, and then our hit take profits to visit our 4 hour time frame. This is how we're gonna go about it. Remember, the risk is always 1% to gain more. Looking all the way to go to the upside exactly here. exactly, yeah. So now we can easily now risk one and gain 15% on just a single trade. And before we secured, I think it was about 7% or 6 point something percentage on just this single trade, which is what was amazing, and we ate from it. So this is what I'm looking for. And if price is not coming to the downside, yeah, sorry about that. I'm just simply gonna wait this for this breakout, wait for this retest around here, and then still take those bullish movements. So yeah, this was our GBP USD. So now let's go to our Euro USD. GBP USD and Euro USD are correlated pairs, which means they move likely the same most of the time. So this is our Euro USD. Same thing or on daily time frame. I did mention on my last video, I said we're looking for these buys to happen, right? But now the only trick is we are now facing our daily resistance area. As you can see, this was a strong resistance area. Every time price touched here, kept on just going to the downside. But now, as many touches and as we got to that resistance, I think now that resistance area got weaker. So yeah, this is our daily time frame. As you can see, we've been breaking for new highs, and now price was literally ranging from here. But one thing that I like, price was keeping the same highs, but the lows, it wasn't breaking for new lows. That's positive, because now we are still in an upward movement trend. So yeah, on our 4 hours time frame, we can see we have the bullish pennant, bullish triangle, or bullish, you can call it whatever, but what matters is that it is the continuation pattern to the upside. So yeah, we also profited from this one. I took just one position on this one, and then we made profits. I was happy about it. I wasn't too confident on Euro USD compared to GBP USD, but yeah, I did execute just one position just to test my confidence, and yeah, it did went into hit targets, and I'm so happy about that. So one thing that I'm waiting for here in this coming week, it's either price from here, it's either price is gonna just move just a bit to touch this resistance area here, come back to the downside for retracement, treating this previous resistance now as support, and then once we got there, this is what I'm waiting for, price to break this resistance area. So this is now like the 4 hours time frame, and we see that we are in an upward moving trend. So now let us visit our 1 hour time frame. As you can see, let's say now price comes back exactly here. Let's say now price comes back exactly here, and then decides to move all the way to the upside from here. This is how I'm gonna execute this trade, exactly on the support, waiting obviously for confirmations on this support. Beautiful stop loss, which is a 28 pips. And then in terms of hit targets, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. In terms of hit targets, boom, just made a mistake there. We set on this exactly support area here. Adjust our stop loss here, 28 pubs. And then on our first hit target, which is the 90% rule of this structure, it is a close to 3%. It is a 3%. If we just adjust a bit, a TP should be a bit above, so it is a 3%, which is great on our first hit targets. And then on an overall targets, I don't think that I marked it here. Overall hit targets, let me just zoom out, let me look for, yeah, here's our next area here. That's our next area in terms of the daily time frame. And then our next TP, which will be here. Overall, I mean to say overall TP, it should be here, which is a 9%. Amazing. On just this single trade, we can benefit a 9%. We can risk one, we can take like 5 losses in a row, and by just this one trade, we'll be up by 9%, which means now if we lost like 5 trades in a row, and then we get to benefit this 9%, which means we are above with 4% profits, which is amazing. So yeah, for the bonus, let us look at USDJPY. So USDJPY usually goes the opposite ways with GBP USD and the Euro USD. This is the trade that we are currently in. For our time frame, we were in an upward moving trend. Let me just start from the daily time frame. We were in an upward moving trend. So one thing that I saw here is that we just broken above this resistance area here. We were taking buys. It was amazing on USDJPY, and now yeah, we broken above this resistance area. So and then we went up in a corrective manner. The thing that made me took sales is this first touch here. We have this first touch, we have this second touch here. I just evolved with my structures, and this is a third touch. This is a third touch. So that is one thing that made me execute sales in terms of the third touch. And then let us now go to the daily time frame, to the 4 hours time frame, I mean to say. So one thing that I'm looking for in this coming week here is to wait for price just to break below here. Once it breaks below here, it will be amazing for me. This will be the first confirmation that we are continuing to go to the downside, right? Come back to retest here and then come straight to our hit, take profits. And then once it did that, I'll just execute again another position here, which will be here, take profits exactly here, and then our stop loss. I keep on making this mistake. And then our stop losses should be there. Let us just here, exactly here. TP should be here. What am I doing? TP should be here. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Again, this is the 4 hour time frame. I think that's a bit tricky because I'm doing this from the 4 hour time frame. 33 pips, yes, 33 pips. Stop loss, and then he take profits here. Let me just go to the hourly time frame now. Exactly like this. Boom, exactly like this. So once price breaks below here and then comes back to retest, to me that will represent a lower high, and we catch trades at their peaks, and then we wait for the next impulse, and then we eat and we make profits from that. So this is what I'm gonna do for the next coming week. So yeah, I hope you have a great week. I hope you have a profitable week. Make sure to pray before you execute trades. See you on the next video. Guys, I'm sure that you benefited from this high valued video. If you didn't benefit, and then I don't know what else that you need in terms of you to grow, but make sure that you like, you subscribe, and then I'll see you on the next video. And I wish you all the profitable week. See you on the next video.